fully cooked. You turn the other side. There's no any blood. It's all fully cooked, and the meat remains juicy. You can see the juice. Yeah,
Yes.
and the skin it's so crispy.
Hi, welcome to ETC channel.
Hello.
And for today's video, we are going to Arnold's Fried Chicken.
Let's go. Let's go.
And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Subscribe to ETC channel. Alright, now we're heading to City Plaza to eat at Arnold's Fried Chicken. Their chicken is very nice, like Jollibee. As you can see, the building looks like a very old school building. Is it here, or I think we need to take the escalator? I remember we need to take the escalator. It's over there, right? I think. I can smell the fried chicken already. And there's the Arnold Fried Chicken. It's just beside this jewelry shop. Are they open? Oh, order first. Okay, we need to order first. Yes, having here. Three. One crispy, no, potato platter.
One potato platter.
Then what else, Adrian? You want to try this? Mozzarella? Yeah.
One mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
Any drinks you want, sir?
I want root beer.
Me too.
Root beer float.
Root beer float.
Yeah, root beer float.
No, I just want mug.
Oh, okay, then 2 mug. You
Regular
like
or large?
Regular.
regular.
2 normal root beer, huh? Then
And one bandung.
Pandong. Yes.
anything else, sir?
And then this one the sides is potato and
Coleslaw and potato fries, sir.
potato fries. Okay, enough? Enough for 3, right?
Okay, sir. If no enough, you can add another $41.30,
Okay. Okay.
cash and PayLah.
You pay first. Okay. Boss have cash. Laupan. He's the boss.
Other tables can be.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to ETC channel. And for today's video, we're not eating at the hawker, but we are here at Arnold's. And we want to try their fried chicken. And if you like our videos, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to ETC channel. Thank you.
You can look at the surrounding. It's a very old school kind of design. Okay, and this is you look at the wall, and this is their logo. I think they existed many years already, right, in Singapore.
Actually, Arnolds is a Singapore fast food restaurant, so it has existed for about 30 years already. And it is the first halal fast food chain in Singapore.
I think it's a fried chicken that can compare with Jollibee. Jollibee, yeah, Jollibee.
Alright, so this is our order.
Yeah, here's our food, and this is the whole spring chicken, and it's served with coleslaw and also fries. Okay, the next one, this one is the potato platter, and it comes with different varieties of cuts. But it's all potato, right? But they cut it in different way. Yeah, then it's served with nacho cheese. This nacho cheese. Okay, and we also ordered another new items from their menu. It's mozzarella cheese stick. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it's mozzarella cheese sticks. Okay. So now we will try the food one by one.
Let me try the fries.
Maybe their chicken tastes like garlic.
So they have potato chips.
Coleslaw. Tastes like KFC.
Which is better?
I think both the same. But
Ole.
chicken here is the better. But coleslaw, see their wings. Nicely fried.
Okay, I want to try this. This is something new. Mozzarella stick.
I think usually people order spring chicken. How's the steak? Is it nice? It's nice. What is that? Bandung, is it?
Oh, it's still very hot. See?
You see the juice.
Yeah, juicy. Very, very young.
It's not like the Indian kacang putih.
They really, I think, cook it when you order. Because it's still very hot.
Yeah, they only cook it after you order.
Yeah.
Now it's fully cooked. You can show. It's fully cooked. You turn the other side. There's no any blood. It's all fully cooked. And the meat remain juicy. You can see the juice. Yeah,
Yes.
and the skin it's so crispy.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like Arnolds too.
The City Plaza branch is their first branch.
The signature one.
Yeah, Fuji branch.
How much is the food today?
41? 42 lah. Yeah, 42.
So you got one fast food series.
This is the first fast food series.
How many times you eat, Arnold?
I don't remember, but
Cannot calculate
I
already.
don't know. Yeah, because in Tampines there's Arnolds in Tampines West.
I think that's the one when I ordered.
Very crispy.
What will your texture be for
Fried.
I didn't
I'll
expect their potato so nice.
I think I'll put the best fried chicken in Singapore.
Best Singapore fried chicken. Because it's Singapore company, right?
I just say best best fried chicken in Singapore.
Cannot. Because it's Jollibee.
How do you know?
Or
So you think
put-
it's Jollibee?
I think it's Jollibee. I mean my own rating lah. Jollibee number 1, Arnold number 2. So you like Arnold better? So your one is Arnold number 1, Jollibee number 2. Then where is those?
But Jollibee is okay also lah.
Then where is those like the main fast food restaurant?
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to ETC channel. Bye-bye.
Bye.